Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in the site. Today I just want to show you how to calculate the tonnage of a sand in a truck. Let's say you have ordered a sand from your supplier and you have delivered, but you don't know how many tons. You are not sure. Let me show you step by step how to calculate the tonnage. If you are new to my channel, please remember to subscribe below. I will be happy. Let's go. Okay, now let's say this is our truck, and don't focus on the way the truck looks like, but let's assume now this is the truck that have brought the sand in our site. Now remember, we are finding the mass in tonnage that is in that truck. So remember, to find the mass is equal to volume times density. So that is the formula. So what you do now, you'll find the volume of the sand that is in this truck. And to find the volume, it is length times width times height, so that you can get the answer in cubic meter. So just step number one, take a tape measure or measuring tape, then measure the length of the lorry from here to here. Let's say you find it is x meters. Let's say you get it is 4 meters. Then measure the width from here to here. Let's say you find it is 3 meters. Then the height at NB, the height, it is up to where the sand is. If the sand is at where I've put the dot, you measure up to that point, the depth of the sand. Are we together? Don't measure the height of the lorry from here, from the bottom up to where the sand is, the level of the sand. So let's say you measure from here to here, then you find it is 2 meters. You come here now to find the volume is equal to, we found that the length it is 4 meters, multiplied by width, which we found it is 3 meters, then multiplying by the height of the sand, where we found it is 2 meters. So you find the answer is 4 times 3, it is 12. 12 times 2 is equal to 24 meter cubed. So that is the volume of the sand that is in this truck. Are we together to that point? Yes. Let's now go back to our formula. Mass is equal to volume times density. So now mass is equal to the volume, which is equal to 24 meter cubed, times the density. Now, what is the density of the sand? So according to the research and the measurements that are used worldwide, is that the density of sand per cubic meter ranges between 1400 kilogram per meter cubed to 1800 kgs per meter cubed. What does this mean? Meter cubed means like this. If you have something that is a square, it looks like this. You see? Then here is 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter. If you multiply 1 times 1 times 1, you get it is 1 meter cubed. You get the point? Now, the density of the sand, or the quantity of the sand that will be in this 1 meter cubed container, will range between the 1400 kgs per meter cubed or 1800 kg. You get my point? Yes. The difference is, the reason why one would be 14 and the other one would be 18, it is because if it is wet, you'll find that it will be heavier. If the sand is dry, then it will be lighter. So it will range in between 1400 to 1800 kgs. Are we together? Yes. Now let's continue with our mathematics. Now the average, now that is used worldwide, it is 1.6 1600 kgs per meter cubed. So this one is the average density of the sand. Are we together? Now let us convert this 1600 kgs, convert into tons. So 1 ton is equal to, no, 1 ton is equal to 1000 kgs. So what about 1600 kgs? How many tons? You just do the cross multiplication. 1 times 1600 kgs divide by 1000. This and this, this and this 0 comes here. So it is 1.6 tons. So in short, 1 meter cubic is equal to 1.6 tons. 1.6 tons. Now let's go back to our mathematics so that we can find this our container or this truck, how many tons it is carrying. So we said again, mass is the volume times density. Mass is volume times density. Now the volume, we saw it is length times width times height, which is 24 meter cubed. So we come here, we write 24 times 1 point what? Times 1.6. The answer is, someone with the calculator, please help us. Wow, thank you to our mathematicians. 24 multiplied by 1.6, it is 38.4. So you'll find now that the mass in tonnage, that is in that our truck here, this one is 38.4 tons. As simple as that. So whenever you order a sand from someone, do not let them just give you the quantity that is not enough. Just take your tape measure and just do as I've shown you. As simple as that. Thank you for watching. I hope now you know. Remember to subscribe below, and if you have any question, just ask in the comment section below and we will answer it right away. Thank you. See you in my next video.